Hello everyone, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching The Buzzing Trends. In today's show we'll be looking at 5 ASX green stocks not to be missed in October. Major world economies have intensified their efforts to fight the challenges of climate change. The reckless use of fossil fuels has brought the world on the verge of a climate catastrophe. The effects of climate change are more evident now, making it a fight for survival if immediate action is not taken. With deserts witnessing snowfall and widespread flooding and a rise in the number of bushfires, the danger is growing. In the global fight against carbon emissions, Europe has emerged as the leader in taking charge as the region is moving rapidly towards net zero carbon emission targets. As renewable energy is one of the effective tools that can help stave off the worst effects of rising temperatures, solar, wind, hydro and other renewable energy sources are gaining popularity and receiving huge investments. Consequently, businesses engaged in renewable energy production and transmission are gaining popularity. On that note, let us look at some of the ASX green stocks and their price movements. First company on the list is Meridian Energy, the leading renewable power producer and distributor in New Zealand. The company accounts for almost 30% of all electricity generation in New Zealand. Its entire power generation is through solar, wind and hydro energy. Meridian Energy is set to pay a dividend of 10.4 cents per share on the 15th of October. And as of the 1st of October, the company has an annual dividend yield of 3.31%. The share price of Meridian Energy was trading at $4.73 during early afternoon trade. Moving on, next company is Mercury NZ, a dual-listed green energy player, and is into green power generation using hydro and geothermal energy. The Government of New Zealand's a majority stakeholder in the company with the current holding of 51%. However, Mercury New Zealand's entering the wind power sector with the acquisition of Tilt Renewables in a deal worth $2.7 billion. The deal is expected to add more than 1,100 gigawatt hours to the company's annual generation production. With this transaction, Mercury will become one of New Zealand's largest wind power companies. The company paid a dividend of 9.8 cents per share on the 30th of September. Its annual dividend yield stands at 2.62% as of the 1st of October. The share price of Mercury was trading at $6.11 during early afternoon trade. Now, before we move on and look at Infratil, New Energy Solar and Genex Power, it's time for a very short break.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
Hello and welcome back. Next company on our list today is Infratil. Boasting a diversified project portfolio, Infratil is engaged in wind, solar and hydro energy generation. The company operates its wind energy project through its partner Longroad Energy. Longroad has its major operations in the US. Recently, the company committed $233 million to set up a renewable energy development platform. Headquartered in Singapore, Green Energy will focus on greenfield renewable projects across Asia, a significant opportunity for Infratil. The share price of Infratil was trading at $7.98 during early afternoon trade. Next company is New Energy Solar, which operates 14 solar power plants across the United States. Solar plants of the company help in reducing carbon emissions of over 1 metric tons on an annual basis. The power generated by New Energy Solar is sold to wholesale companies, which then transmit the power to their customers. The company paid a dividend of 3 cents per share on August and has an annual dividend of 9.87% as of the 1st of October. The share price of New Energy Solar was trading at 8.1 cents during early afternoon trade. Moving on, the next company on our list is Genex Power. They're building a portfolio of renewable energy generation and storage projects across Australia. Genex Power recently announced it has executed a supply agreement with Tesla Motors Australia for the Boulder Coombe battery project. The project is Genex's first large-scale battery energy storage system and is part of their Como strategy to broaden footprint in energy storage. The Boulder Coombe battery project is set to be one of the first standalone large-scale battery energy storage systems in New Zealand. Following this announcement, the project is confirmed to be developed using Tesla's Megapack lithium-ion battery technology, which has a product lifespan with a warranty of 20 years. Meanwhile, the Kidston Clean Energy Hub in Queensland is the flagship project of the company, which includes a 250 megawatt pump storage hydro project and a 50 megawatt stage 1 solar project. The project has additional potential for wind and solar power. The share price of Genex was trading at 22 cents during early afternoon trades. So to sum up, decarbonisation is essential to address climate change. The global commitment to sustainability and climate change has highlighted the renewable energy space as one of the largest investment opportunities. With that, it's time to wrap up today's show. I hope you found this informative. Stay tuned for more news and live updates on Kalkine TV Live. This is Rachel signing off for now.